Now, one Google store at NYC has the Pixel 6 series on display, and Google is also promoting it there on YouTube channel as well. Now, the first hands-on video of the Google Pixel 6 Pro has apparently appeared. The phone in the video isn't commercial version, it's a PVD unit. You can take a look at the logo at the back. That means it's very close to the production variant of the device. The whole video is visual treatment only. It shows nothing extra. We have already seen the real life photos in other colors as well. The short clip shows the phone with 6.7-inch OLED display. The biggest design change is in the rear camera module, or should I say camera bar. The Pixel 6 Pro has a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle snapper, and a 48 megapixel telephoto zoom camera with 4x optical zoom capability. The phone will also have 5000 mAh battery with fast wireless charging and fast wired charging, as well as smart battery share feature. Google has apparently also equipped the Pro models with ultra wideband hardware. It was leaked recently that the phone has an in-display fingerprint reader. This is cool. The biggest upgrade is coming in the form of custom SoC, the Tensor SoC. You can watch my previous videos for that. And the phone is coming at the rumored October 19th event. Now, back in August 2020, we heard about the first Pixel foldable device, codenamed Passport. This device was predicted to arrive sometimes in Q4 of this year. Now, according to reliable leaker EV-Leaks, it's indeed coming. So according to him, Google has been working on the first foldable Pixel smartphone for about 2 years and is about to release it by the end of 2021. Now, there is a big chance that it might be coming at the Pixel 6 Pro launch event, or maybe sometimes later, or maybe just Google will present a teaser or something like that at the Pixel 6 Pro launch event, which is kind of a Google thing. Now, the senior director at the display supply chain consultant has stated that the Pixel Passport is in the list of devices which will feature the LTPO display technology. The display technology can change the refresh rate dynamically depending on the content of the screen. Now, you can also see iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max are on the list as well, which has 120Hz LTPO OLED panels. Now, Google is publicly showing off the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. These devices are hugely important for Google's smartphone division, but what do you think? Is it that Google is trying to hide the Pixel Fold behind the whole show-up drama with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro? It won't be that long to find out, right? And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet, or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video. I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.